Right now, schools and sport clubs are still hiring coaches through referrals and messages. It is slow, unverified, and risky. So today, me, Joe, Scene, and Nop invite you to step into our platform, show you how IOMine is changing the game, making coaching smart, trusted, and effortless.
Right now, school and sport club in Jakarta and Bali still struggle to find good coaches, especially for short-term need like camps or tournaments. Most of them rely on word of mouth or group chat, which takes so much time. At the same time, many freelance coaches want more work but they cannot reach new clients easily. So both sides have the same problem. They cannot find each other. That's where we come in. A trust, easy to use platform that connect coaches with the organization so fast. We're starting with Jakarta and Bali, a combined market of nearly 2 million potential users to solve this problem at scale. This helps school and club find trust coach so fast. Just search, book, and pay all in one app. No more stress, just easy coach booking.
This is our platform canvas, the strategic blueprint behind our platform. We serve two sides: the producer, freelance and academy coaches, and the schools, sports club, and parents as consumers. On both sides, we solve real pain points, from inconsistent income and manual hiring processes to rising compliance demand and fragmented scheduling. Our value lies in smart matching, verified credentials, and built in tools for invoicing, logistics, and performance tracking. We differentiate from substitutes like job boards and internal staff by offering speed, reliability, and full lifecycle support. Revenue comes from bookings, premium dashboards, and institutional SaaS contract. This canvas aligns our features, metrics, and monetization into a cohesive growth engine for modern coaching. So let's explore one of the most powerful engines behind any platform growth, the direct network effect. This occurs when the value of the platform increases as more users join, not just across sites, but within each group. On the consumer side, we're talking about organizations, schools, clubs, and academies. As more of them join, the platforms become more trusted and credible, encouraging others to follow. As for the returning clients, this also increases competition among coaches, which improve pricing and availability. On the producer side, coaches benefit from the presence of other high quality peers. They can benchmark their pricing, learn how to position themselves, and grow through a feasible tiering system like bronze, silver, or gold. Additionally, community tools, forums, referrals, and peer feedback support professional development and collaboration. In short, the more each side grows, the more valuable the platform becomes for that same group. That's a direct network effect, and it's fundamental to building a thriving ecosystem. Now, let's move to one of the most powerful dynamics in any platform, the indirect network effect. Unlike direct effects, which increase value within a user group, indirect effects create value across user groups. In our case, activities on the code side directly increases value for institutions and vice versa. This slide shows our platform flywheel, a self-reinforcing growth loop. At the core are high-quality coaches. When we attract strong coaching talent, it sends a signal to the market. This is a trusted professional ecosystem. That trust brings in more schools, clubs, and institutions, which creates more job opportunities and engagement on the platform. In turn, this increased demand enhances each coach visibility and reputation, attracting even more coaches who want to join, restarting the cycle at a faster and stronger pace. We can accelerate this flywheel with a few strategic tools like a tiering system or incentivize early adopters, especially in the new regions, and detailed performance tracking, helping coaches grow and institutions choose wisely. And on the right, you can see the ripple effect. As more coaches join, more organizations follow. A broader talent pool means a better matching, more specialization, and geographic coverage. And when more institutions are active, coaches can benefit from a steady stream of clients, greater income stability, and reputation building, both inside and beyond the platform. Together, this indirect network effect becomes a flywheel that fuels scalable, defensible growth that creates a real sustained value for every single participant of the platform.
Disintermediation is bleeding value from our platform. First, we have direct disintermediation, where users meet on IOMine, then book off platform to dodge fees. Second, indirect disintermediation, where they browse us, then convert elsewhere. Third, self-platforming, where coaches treat us like a lead gen tool and reroute traffic to their own channels. Fourth, partial disintermediation, where the booking happens here but payments and schedules go offline. And finally, network hijacking. Schools and coaches build informal systems that bypass us entirely. If we don't act, we become nothing more than a free directory. Our strategy would be locking in through platform value and exit penalties. First, we anchor reputation by giving badges, rankings, and visibility tied to verified platform activity. If they leave, it will disappear. Second, we reward loyalty. We put faster payouts, booking perks, premium tools, and dashboard features for consistent users. And then third, we apply exit penalties. We give suspicious behavior triggers ranking drops, and then visibility loss and a trust flag. The message is clear. Your status, your perks, your growth, they live and die on IOMine.
Now let's take a look at how we're using LLMs to revolutionize coach-client matching on our platform. LLMs power several key functions. For consumers, they act as intelligent coach recommenders, helping schools and clubs quickly find coaches that fit their exact needs. And for coaches, they generate customized training plans tailored to client goals and sport types. The impact? It will dramatically lower operating costs and smoother personalized user experience, something that traditional coaching agencies simply can't match. Let's take a quick example. Let's say a school says, I need a futsal coach for a high school team in Jakarta 3 times a week for 2 months. The LLM breaks that down as location, schedule, sport, and duration, and it instantly returns a list of top fit coaches, fast, smart, and tailored. This makes the platform not only smarter but also truly scalable. So far we've talked about the network effects and AI, but what makes the platform instantly useful even without scale is its inherent value to both coaches and institutions. For producers or coaches, we provide powerful tools, a management dashboard to track certifications, AI training templates to generate customized plans, automated invoicing for smooth billing, and a professional hub to showcase their sessions and achievements like a dynamic resume. On the consumer side, like think of schools, clubs, parents, we offer a compliance engine to verify credentials instantly, auto-generated tax and safety documents, seasonal planning tools to manage training calendars, and real-time oversight to monitor coach performance in real time. These features deliver real utility from day one, making our platform not just a marketplace, but a complete operating system for modern coaching.
This platform brings value to a wide range of stakeholders, but with trade-off we must acknowledge and manage. Consumer benefit from simplified access to qualified coaches and real-time scheduling, but pricing could exclude low-income or non-digital users. Producers like coaches gain branding tools and flexible income options. However, platform fees and rating pressures could cause stress. For owners, there is strong potential for B2B monetization and trust building partnerships through they must manage high localization costs and reputational risk around safety and data. Equity improves as we broaden visibility for underrepresented coaches, but market dynamics may still marginalize low income or rural users. Labor and government see gains in jobs creation and alignment with national agendas, yet both face burdens of moderation, training, and regulatory compliance. Communities and the environment benefit from local talents promotion and reduced infrastructure use. However, we risk skewing access toward elite clients and increasing coach travel emissions. By addressing this tension, we can build a platform that scales responsibly and inclusively.
We will launch this strategy with focus. In Jakarta, we target youth soccer with partners like ASIOP, one of the Indonesia's leading youth football academies, and in schools like Jakarta Intercultural School and British School Jakarta. In Bali, we start in Canggu with Green School and Fins Recreation Club. We seed supply first, onboarding verified coaches with waiving fees, and then we anchor the demand by onboarding marquee schools, and we focus on hyper-local niches to build repeat usage, and then we lock users in with tools they cannot get anywhere else. We don't build blindly, but we test before we scale. First, we will validate our problem by interviewing 10 to 15 schools and 10 plus coaches, then launch a landing page to test the demand. Next, we will conduct MVP. We run bookings manually using Airtable, Calendly, and Stripe to match the real coaches with real schools. And then next, we will do behavior tracking. We measured rebookings, payment flow, and early signs of disintermediation. And lastly, we have to do iteration. Only features that users actually use or built into the next version. We built what the market proved it wants, nothing more. IOMine isn't just digitizing coach hiring, we are transforming it. We replace ad hoc WhatsApp group with verified searchable talent. We shift schools from fixed hires to on-demand outcome-focused coaching. We evolve into coaching as a service, handling scheduling, billing, and even reporting. And we help schools link coaching to student performance, so they rebook based on results, not guesswork.
To make this platform work well, we will focus on both sides, coaches and organization. For coaches, we welcome freelancer and academy trainer. We will check their ID and certificate first and then give them easy tool to set their schedule. The best coaches can earn a budget to stand out and get more booking. For school, club and academy, we make it simple to find trust coach. They can save time with ready-made form and automatic paperwork. We also use referral and word of mouth to build trust with new partner. This platform support both sides, so hiring and managing coach become fast and stress-free.
At IOMind, we follow four key ethical principles. First, fair access. We verify every coach's ID and certificates, and we make sure our search isn't biased toward big names. Second, consumer protection. We check every coach's background, especially for those working with kids. Safety comes first. Third, data privacy. We only collect what's needed, like KTP, and user can control what info they share. Lastly, inclusive design. Our platform works in Indonesia on low internet and avoid English only designs that leaves people out. This principle guides how we build a platform that's safe, fair, and for everyone.